Welcome back, beauties, to another video. Your girl Elizabeth here. If you are new, welcome in. If you are from the OGs, welcome back. So my weekends are very typical. I am a homebody, if you didn't know that already. I love to stay home. Home is my comfort zone. That is where, my family is and where my dog is. So that is my happy place. So weekends usually consist of me cleaning up and the pool or going to the beach, depending on how much cleaning I have to do. For today's video, that is pretty much what you'll see. You'll see me doing what I typically do on the weekends. I do get a workout in at some point during the day as well, but my priority is to clean the house. I don't have a lot of time during the week to do this just because I do have a lot of clients to tend to, emails, and I'm on the computer pretty much all day long during the week. I also do some meal prepping during the week, so that doesn't leave me with a lot of room to clean the house and just creates more to clean. I'm just starting off with the kitchen and running back up and down the stairs. I do live in a townhouse, so we have 3 stories. And it's very exhausting. That is part of the exercise, running up and down the stairs. So just cleaning up, making sure that everything is nice and tidy like I like it. I don't like a dirty house. I have to make sure that it's nice and clean to start off the following week. I am getting ready to go to the gym now after I clean the house. It took me pretty much the entire morning to clean the house. And of course, before we get that workout in, I have to make sure that I do my drink. What I add to it is aminos. I add a little bit of pre-workout and creatine if I do need a little bit of a boost. Here is us getting to the gym on a Saturday. It was probably around 1 p.m. by the time we made it to the gym. So it's not as busy and crowded at that time, which I personally love. Went to Starbucks. It was actually my husband's birthday and he decided to redeem his birthday drink on me. See, so I got a venti brown sugar oatmeal espresso with brown sugar syrup, and that's it. And yeah, he gave it to me. So, and then we actually got a sandwich as well. We're gonna take a quick shower and then we're gonna actually head to the pool for a little bit. So, and just kind of relax and chill. But before I do that, I'm gonna take this beautiful boy out for a walk, huh, baby? We're gonna take you for a walk. Yeah, you wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Okay. You're so excited, aren't you? Yeah, we're gonna go. I promise you. Yeah, let's go. Let's go for the walk. Let's go. Careful, come on. Let's go. Yeah, you're ready to go, huh, baby? So here is our pool. This pool is actually in our neighborhood, so it's very convenient, like 5-minute walk, probably less than that actually, like 3-minute walk from my house. And it's not busy at all today. There's just a couple of people on there and they just resurfaced it. It's really convenient whenever I want a little bit of tan and just relax and get some vitamin D. We always come to the pool, even if it's just for an hour or 2.
Good morning, happy Sunday. About to get ready and go to the gym first thing in the morning because We have a lot to do today. We're actually gonna go to the mall, get some new outfits for our upcoming trip. Actually going to go, one of my always had on my bucket list, which is actually Paris, France. I'm super excited for that. We finally get to go after, basically having that on my bucket list since I was in high school. I gotta clean my suitcase, I pack a few of my accessories like earrings and stuff. So I'll be doing that as well today. But we need some new clothes for our trip to look more Parisian. I think that's how you say it. First, before we do any of that, I'm gonna just have a quick bite, something light for breakfast, and then we're gonna head out to the gym. Got up early today to go to the gym, and now we're gonna make our amino drink. I usually put just aminos, creatine. I have been adding glutamine. It's also really good to put in. So today is gonna be hamstring and glute focused. And here is our drinks. I'm actually out of my regular first form aminos. So today we are using the Beyond Raw Precision Amino and Gummy Worm. Let's go. We try to take the stairs as much as possible instead of the elevator. We usually park on the 3rd floor and then we just walk down the stairs and get the workout done. We are actually going to one of our favorite food places here in the Tampa Bay area. It's called the Protein House. So usually this is our after workout weekend routine. We go because they have delicious food, it's fresh ingredients, and it's high in protein. So now we're just heading back home after that. We actually took our meals to go. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Southern New Hampshire University.
I'm gonna get you to it. I'm gonna get you to it.
Where you headed? You know, the only time I'm solely focused on the presence on this horse.
My lunch was actually 2 patties of bison with sweet potato and jalapeno.
We actually went to the mall in Wesley Chapel, and surprisingly there was a car show going on, so we did enjoy that. My husband's an avid car fan, so he loves to see all these types of cars, so we spent some time just kind of going and taking a look at cars. And
I need to go buy mascara.
Then of course we went shopping. After the mall, we were pretty much exhausted and hungry. We don't have a lot of food at home, so we ended up having to go to a restaurant. And anytime we're out in the Tampa Bay area, we like to go and try out a new restaurant that we haven't tried before. So that one was actually really good. It was actually pretty. The ambience was nice outside. And then, of course, since we didn't have any food at home, we did stop by and get just a few groceries to last us for at least the next couple of days. Packed everything from the car, and of course, Bonbon was ready to greet us because we took a little longer than expected, and he was, wanting us to be home by now. So, yeah, unpacked everything from the car and took it upstairs. have room in the closet anymore. I am gonna put these, you know what, I'm gonna just lay them here for now. We're finally back from the mall shopping. Exhausted. Girl has not shopped like this in forever. I'm actually really tired. And then we had no food in the fridge. Sundays are usually my food prep days, but I don't think I'm gonna have time for food prepping because I'm so tired. It's already like 8 p.m. almost. I have to probably do some of that tomorrow. So we also stopped at Publix after hitting 2 malls today. Bought some shoes, and I'll probably show you guys a video of all my outfits for Paris. Probably blogged our trip to Paris, which I'm really excited. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna cut it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.